At the stop sign, we're going to turn left. And then another left turn at the stop sign. Right up to the traffic lights. So if you can see the yellow line, we'll stay close to the yellow line for the left turn at the lights. Yep. Yep, there we go. We're in position. Look at this mess. Wow. Oh, they're fixing it. So do you see how far you got to go? Like where your lane is? See all the stop line, the shorter one there, with that's a turning lane for people turning up to go under the bridge. So you go all the way out to the snowbank.
Okay.
Yeah. It's a bit of a wonky intersection. So white truck is turning, blue van is coming. Awesome. Okay, just be prepared here. We're going to turn left right between those two buildings. You see the one-way arrow signs there?
Yeah.
They're all bent out of shape, right? That's why I never trust an arrow when I'm downtown, because they do get abused. I've seen it happen once at the bus station downtown. The arrow was turned right around to point in the wrong direction. People were going the wrong way because of that. Somebody managed to do that. I don't know how. But yeah, I don't trust the arrow. That's why I'm showing you like the number of stop signs or the color of the lines, the way the cars are parked. At the stop sign here, we're going to turn right. And it's important to stop before the sidewalk, because there may be somebody walking there.